Hello, everybody. Welcome to a fun learning class. Today, we are going to deal with logarithmic problems of class 11th. Okay, so let's check out the question. The given question is if 1 by log a base 2 plus 1 by log a base 4, so on until n terms is equal to n into n plus 1 by k, then we have to find the value of k. So let's check out the solution now. So the solution is by logarithmic base switch rule, that is log c base b is equal to 1 by log b base c, or vice versa. In this case, it will be if we take this log function to the numerator, what the base and the argument, base that is 2 and argument that is a, will get interchanged, and that will happen for all of these logarithmic functions, right? So let's see, what do we get? Okay, so we get log 2 base a plus log 4 base a, so on until log 2 power n base a, which is equal to n into n plus 1 by k. Okay, so let's move on. Now what happens is, since each logarithmic function's base, all the bases are same, which is a, right? So we can, all these arguments 2, 4, 8, we can multiply them. How? By logarithmic product rule, which is shown here. So by that, if we can multiply each of these arguments given right here. So let's move on to the next step. So now something has happened to the argument, right? It's been simplified further. It has become log 2 power n into n plus 1 by 2 base a. We'll just see with the LHS right now, okay? So how did this come? Let's see. From this previous step, we just take the argument and try to simplify it. The argument being 2 into 4 into 8, so on, multiplied until 2 power n, which can also be written as 2 power n, 2 power 1 into 2 square into 2 cube, so on until 2 power n, right? So now we are just adding all the powers since the bases are same. How? By product rule of exponentiation, which is given right here, right? Okay, so from here, the power is still kind of complicated, right? We have to simplify it further. How do we do that? By using this rule, that is sigma or summation of k is equal to 1 to n of k is n into n plus 1 by 2. Since here also in the power, numbers, all the whole numbers have been added until n, we can apply this given rule here to the power, and it will make it log 2 power n into n plus 1 by 2 base a, right? Clear? So let's move on. So this logarithmic function has been simplified into this form. How now? By using logarithmic power rule. Since log x power y base b is equal to y into log x base b, similarly, if we apply that here, the power is just multiplied to the logarithmic function and making it into this expression. So now, since both the side numerators are same, we can just cancel them out as shown here. And since we have to find k, we just transpose k to the LHS and take the other two terms to the RHS, which will give us k is equal to 2 by log 2 base a. Now, if we take this log function from the denominator to the numerator, just to simplify it further, what will it become? Yes, by our old base switch rule, what will it become? Log a base 2, as shown right here, right? So k will become 2 into log a base 2, which can be written also as log a square by 2 by our logarithmic power rule. So that's our value of k. We have finally found out k is equal to log e square base 2. Thank you.